Hey, what's up? This is King Oumar, and he gets a ton of views through YouTube. But before I tell you that, there's a little bit of history. He started doing YouTube 7 years ago, back on the Money Team channel. On the Money Team channel, he was doing skits with his friends. Then 3 years later, he created his own channel, which would become his main channel, and started doing smash or pass type of videos, which plagued South Africa even today. Okay, now that's done. He continues to make content that gets a ton of views. So we're gonna do the calculations real quick. On his main channel, for the last 3 months, he averaged 681,000 views per month and has a CPM or RPM which is slightly more than 35 rands per 1,000 views. And on his second channel, Kointhecut, he averages 75,000 views per month with a CPM of 25 rand. Now that we got that, let's do the math real quick. On his main channel, we are going to take that 681,000 views and divide it by 1,000, then times it by 35 rand, which is the CPM, to get 23,835 rands. That's how much money he makes on average per month on his main channel, 23,835 rand. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing with his second channel, Kointhecut. On this channel, on average, he gets 75,000 views. So we're going to take that 75,000 and divide it by 1,000. Then times it by the 25 rand, which is the CPM again. If you do the math real quick, he gets just about 2,000 rands per month, which brings the total to over 25,000 rands. Okay, it's important to know that this is ad revenue on YouTube only. And with that, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing on the channel and click on the video on the screen right now, and I'll catch you there. Have a lovely day. I love you.